I'd like to spend a few minutes and talk about how we manage issues in Q&A in the context of the Phoenix project. This is another aspect of Kumu that was really strongly responsible for me choosing this environment to be able to implement this project. If you have a Kumu username and are logged into Kumu, you can comment on any item in this project. All you have to do is click on an item, go over here and click comment, and you will initiate a issue. What Kumu calls them issues. I call them comments. You call it whatever you want to, but you will go ahead and create an issue. Why did you name it as this? And you create the issue. Now, anyone who is following this project will get that email in addition to myself, and it will then go ahead and put a red asterisk on that particular item on the map. And so you can tell which items already have open issue threads. And if you want to look at an existing issue thread, Q&A, for an item, all you have to do is click on this, open it, and go back to the list, and you can get to that particular item if it doesn't open automatically. Now, if you're at this particular position, in other words, you just opened it, it should go ahead and open that directly, so it opens the Kumu Models issue thread. If you create an issue thread, or if you comment on an issue thread, you will receive all updates to that issue thread in the future. If you're an observer of the project, and I said that if you want to be an observer, just send me an email and I'll add you an observer, you will get an email for every issue thread that's created, but you won't get the posts to that issue thread unless you actually post to the thread, and then you become a member of the thread, and there'll be a little icon adding you to the thread. So because it's real easy to comment on items or models in Kumu, but not so easy to comment on models in SiteMaker. By putting everything in this environment, a person who is working through the simulation sequence and has a question about some segment of that learning program can simply click on the item and initiate an issue thread, or if one already exists, simply click on the asterisk and go to that issue thread and then add a comment or add a question to that issue thread, which myself or someone else will then be in a position to be able to respond to resolve the issue. And so that's an aspect of Kumu that I actually really, really like, because it makes it so easy to provide for people to provide feedback on the individual components, and it's the feedback that provides a basis for all the stuff getting better. So the issues/Q&A is part of the reason that I decided upon this environment for implementing this project. So, and as I make updates to Phoenix itself, major updates, I will go ahead and post to this thread. I mean, I started it on the 12th, and on the 20th, and on the 23rd, I finished the framework, and I'm doing these videos for the initial aspects of it. So it'll get there. It's going to take a while. So take care. Bye.